Hello diecast friends, we're here at the Maxi Toys in Knokke and every Wednesday they get new supply. So I know their Hot Wheels are low on stock, so I come by to see if they got some new Hot Wheels. But first I wanna know if they have new 5-packs. I see some old news, but that isn't that bad. Because I really like this Fast and Furious 5-pack, especially this one, Mick. Yeah, this is my favorite. Okay, let's see. I put this one over here. We got the Police Pursuit, but this is also old news. Hey, I think this is good news. This is the Hot Wheels Fun Park, and I'm not sure, but I think this is a new 5-pack. This one is really cool, the ice cream. Oh, I like this roller coaster buggy. And this one is also very nice, although it are fantasies. Yes. This is the one I'm looking for. The new Hot Wheels Exotic 5-pack. This is really nice. I was not expecting this already here in this store. Look at this. The McLaren, the Porsche, and this is my favorite of this 5-pack. The Cadillac, lovely blue color, by the way. So, picture on the back is also very cool. I have to be quiet, but I'm not gonna buy this pack right now because I know the 21st of November there is a store in the Netherlands, and I think they're going to sell this 5-pack because look at the price, it's $10.99, and in the other store they're going to sell it for $5.99. So, hey, this is also a new one. Wow, they have all the new 5-packs over here. Oh, this one is also cool. Again, from back till from the top till the bottom. This one is also very nice, and I think this one is good on track. This one I don't know. Let's put this one on the ground. See if they got more. They've got the Wave Gravers over here. Surf Raiders, nice casting. This one is also nice. These two are a little bit too fantasy for me. Let's see the picture on the back, because I like the cards. Okay, what do we got here? Hey, Flames pack. One of my favorite 5-packs from Hot Wheels is the Flames pack, especially this one and this one. Let's see, we got more. We got X-Racers, but that's too much fantasy for me. Shitty 5-pack. Not my thing. Track Builder. That's also a nice pack. Got the Metro. This is also old news. Do love this casting. And the Rock and Roll Bus. And the good old Nightburner set. But the one that I found, that I'm really glad I found it, I see it for the first time here in Belgium. Let's see if I can see it again. Oh yeah. Now I know. It's the flames. Yes, here it is. First I'm gonna put this one back over here. Clean up your mess, guys. That's very important. Here it is again. The new Hot Wheels 5-pack Exotic. I'm going to do an unboxing for this, but it will be after the 21 of November. And again, the beautiful picture on the back. Now let's see if they got some new Hot Wheels. When I was walking up here, I didn't see any Hot Wheels. You see over there, there it is, there it is. That doesn't... Okay, wait a minute. What have we got here? This is good news. This is going to be some sort of unboxing back hunt video. Yes, it's the Bugatti Case. So maybe for some of you guys it's old news, but here in Belgium the Bugatti Case recently arrived. So yeah, let's do an unboxing and see what's in here. We got the Hoover and Out and the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, very nice. And I'm also putting these ones, wait a minute. I put the old ones out. We got some oldies right here. I guess they're not that bad. I do love the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Okay, let's see. We can take this one out. Mick, Black Escort. You already got one from that good old Saul. A really nice guy. Okay, take all these ones out. We call that a Vivo. First in, last out. So. So now it's empty and we could put the new ones in. Tesla Model S, one of my favorites of this case. Two robot racers. Lovely casting. I don't know what the treasure hunt is in this case, so I'm always missing the treasure hunt. Just like with the 2020 C case, I also was missing the treasure hunt. That's the story of my life. These two are very nice. Yes, nice Grand Sport. The Burger, the Pacific, also in the 2020 C case, but then different color. Another Pacific. The most popular car of this case, the Bugatti Sheeran. I'm gonna put them on the bottom so it's not easy to find. Solar reflex and a rapid responder. Another rapid responder. Evil Weevil, is that the treasure hunt? I don't know. McLaren. Here we got the Street Creeper. Hey, the McLaren Senna. The car bites, also not the treasure hunt. Got the surf and turf. The croc rods. This is a very cool casting, Audi RS5 Coupe. And the skull crusher. No. The runway fire truck. Corvette Grand Sport. The Baja hauler and the slide kick. Another slide kick and a Ford Ranchero. Nice casting. What we got here? A motorbike. Also not the treasure hunt. And the custom Acura Integra. Okay. First, the white Civic and the Chevy Nova. I really love the flames on the Chevy Nova. That makes it a beautiful piece. Hot Wheels flames. And the Civic with the red rims is also very cool. And a lot of detail. License plate with the Hot Wheels logo. We got the Civic Type R logo and the Honda logo. Really nice casting. Here is another one. Okay, what do we got? We got two Lamborghini Aventadors and unfortunately no super treasure hunts. But the regular casting is also very nice. We got another Baja hauler. Guys, I'm missing the treasure hunt. Nissan Skyline, very good on track. And the Skyboat. Got another Skyline. Two Ford Mavericks. Let's see. We got also two Aston Martin DBS. I love the wheels on this one. Not my thing, but not bad. Okay, let's see. We got the Electro Silhouettes. Let's see what we got. We got the flash drive over here. I'll bet the treasure hunt is a fantasy. Because that's the thing, I'm not into fantasies, and when a fantasy is a treasure hunt, I don't care that much. That's the problem, and then I'm missing it. So I'm gonna beat all. Two VWs SP2. One of the best castings of 2019, the Audi RS6 Avant with a license plate RS6 logo. And another one. I'm gonna put these two a little bit on the bottom. Not gonna make it easy for other hunters. We got the Pagani's with the Brembo logo. Another Runway Rescue. And what is this? The Mag Speeder. Is this the treasure hunt? I really don't know. I really don't know. I have to do my homework. Turbocharged. We got the Dark Knights. I really like the new bed plane of the 2020 C case. If you've not seen it yet, check out my video about the 2020 C case. It's in there and it is beautiful, and it comes with a display stand, by the way. The Chevy Chevelle recolor and the twin mill GE, and the last two. And yes, I missed the treasure hunt. But guys, please let me know in the comments what the treasure hunt is. Another Chevy Chevelle. So, finding this case was really awesome. I'm gonna put these one on the top. But guys, I'm not gonna bothering you with that. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice evening. Bye guys.